Hey, this is Jonathan with Octopus Creative. I wanted to do this quick video for you today just to talk a little bit about our PC Coma 200 hashtag and give you a little bit of an analysis here. Quick 1 minute to go through what a hashtag is, what it does, what kind of things we can track on there. So first off, I'm going to go to a tool called Keyhole.co. So this is actually a free tool for you to do kind of a hashtag tracking. And so what I've done is I've searched for this hashtag. I can kind of see how many posts, how many users have used the post, how many impressions, meaning how many times has somebody seen that hashtag, and how many people were reached with that particular hashtag. Along with the timeline as well to see what's kind of happened over a specific period of time. We can also see top post based on engagement, based on clout. And clout is kind of how influential a user is, as well as recent. So because this is a free tool, it might not give you everything. And you can kind of see related hashtags and related keywords as well. And then some of the most influential people. So we've got Sydney with 33 followers, Mandy with 71 followers, and you can kind of see average engagement, what their titles are, all of those sorts of things, as well as recent users. Top sites, so this hashtag particularly was on Twitter, so you can kind of see that here. Locations, so we've got Canada. It seems that there's another hashtag happening in North Africa, so you can kind of see that, as well as sentiment, so positive, negative, neutral, what was happening with that hashtag, and demographics, male versus female, and even so much as what device were people using when they were doing that and using that hashtags. So original posts, retweets, and replies, you can see what makeup that was as well. So this is a great little tool for you being in class that you can look at hashtags and start to get a little bit of information. We also use a tool called Awario. So this, I've added the PC Coma 200 hashtag in here. We can kind of see the mentions here as well. We can change our date ranges. So last 30 days, I can go all time and kind of see what was happening here. And then positive versus negative reach. So we can kind of see all of the same things, except the only difference is this is a paid tool. It gives us a little bit of different data. And let's say even on negative, so we want to look at the negative sentiment. So sometimes you're just looking at these and able to kind of see, well, this isn't really a negative sentiment here. It's just because somebody's talking about schoolwork and difficulty of trying to dog sit. We can change that sentiment to a positive sentiment. Again, so cross my fingers, I'll make it into PCC coma. So this is actually, again, a positive sentiment. We can change that there. And we can change this sentiment to maybe neutral. And again, this one can be neutral. So we can kind of see that, and we can go back to our alerts here. We can go back to our dashboard and we can see everything there, and that should give us a little bit of a better view of that particular hashtag. The other thing that you can do is right on Twitter is to create a moment. So we've created a moment for PC Coma 200 and actually pulled out some of your tweets using that hashtag, and you can start to see them here. So this is viewable from the Portage College social media page on Twitter, and you can see some of these top posts here as well that we've added to this moment. So that's a little bit about hashtags, hashtag tracking. What it allows us to do is not only to measure the sentiment, but also to, it acts as a search function. So you can do that on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn now, and start to kind of join those conversations. If you've ever got any questions, you can email me at Jon, at octopuscreative.ca. Thanks so much, and wishing you all the best of luck in your courses this year.